ICE USA is the only event in the Americas dedicated exclusively to converting and processing of web-based materials. Converting professionals at every level come to ICE USA searching for the tools to make their company more innovative and efficient.
We were able to get introduced to a company that's from overseas, Hoaco, and we were able to make a deal on one of their converting machines, and we're going to be able to bring that to Ohio to make medical parts and automotive parts for our company.
This is the very first time that we are attending a show in the US, and we are actually closing the deals on the very first day of our first exhibition in the United States. I'm so excited.
We do a lot of other shows, but to us, ICE USA is the most important show. It's the biggest show in our industry in the United States. The US is our biggest market. So for us, it's extremely important to be here, to bring a lot of machinery, to be able to meet with our potential customers so that, when we do the show again in 2 years, the first thing they think of is let's go see New Era and see what they have new this year.
The leads have been great at this show because we have been able to talk to decision makers, and we've been able to talk to and show people who are going to be using our products how specifically we can improve their processes. They've been able to get a hands-on experience with our products, and it seems like it's really resonating. We've had really quality leads.
Demonstrate your products and connect with hundreds of new customers eager to buy at ICE USA.